What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode with Mom and Papa Joe. Quick, simple cook today. Earlier this week, Mom and I did some seafood pasta. We've got some crab meat left over. I got some jalapenos. We're going to stuff them with some cheese, some other goodies, and we're going to make some jalapeno poppers. Let's check this out. All right, first thing we're going to do today is core these jalapenos. I've got 12 of them. It's not difficult, but I like to find how they want to lay. And once I've figured that out, I'll put maybe halfway through a slit and I'll come right down the center. There's probably an easier way of doing this, folks, but I like to make things challenging. Then I'll gently come in here and just try to get out the veins and the seed. As these jalapenos cook, they mellow out. Same thing. All right, folks, this is it right here. We're going to get our filling together. So I just melted a tablespoon of salted butter, and I'm going to come in here. This is going to be the vegetable part of my filling. Put some parsley, minced garlic, and there's no real amounts, folks. This is all about what you like. This is some shallots. This was left over from our seafood dish. And then lastly, some minced spinach, baby spinach leaves with some fresh ground pepper, a nice shake of some body of the complete seasoning, not a whole lot of salt. It definitely brings some pop. Just a little pinch of some sea salt and, of course, some meat candy. So all we're going to do is take this to the stove, saute for about 4 or 5 minutes, just to partially cook these veggies. All right, it's been about 5 minutes, and I think we're good to go, man. It smells great. We're going to allow this to cool before we add any of our cheeses to it. All right, so we're going to come in here for this filling with a block of cream cheese, as much or as little crab meat. And folks, you don't have to use crab meat. This is a crab meat stuffing, so of course I'm using crab meat. But you could use anything left over you've got. It could be brisket, it could be pulled pork, some chicken. Oh, you name it. Come back with our cooled mix that's been sauteed. And we want to give this a nice mix. This cream cheese is room temperature, so hopefully it incorporates with everything fairly easily. And we're going to come in with some cheddar cheese. Again, I'm not measuring. Some more crack. Little body of meat candy. And I think we are ready to start stuffing these peppers. Make it probably easier with my hands as opposed to a spoon or anything else. And we'll see how many of these will get stuffed. I'm still overstuffing. All right, this is our last one. I've got some thin sliced bacon that I've also brought to room temperature. And I think 1 slice per jalapeno is going to be enough. And I think that's good. Got some toothpicks that I cut in half, soaking in water. And I'm just going to try to close off the ends. 12 jalapenos, 24 pieces of toothpick. We don't want to eat one. All right, so we're going to cover these with that Sucker Busters and meat candy. All right, folks. Just make sure you got some room in between them. And we're going to head to the Traeger in a few. The Timberline 850 is preheated to 350 degrees. We'll see how this bacon does in about a half an hour. And if necessary, we'll crank it up even hotter to crispify this bacon. 30-minute mark. Let's take a look-see. Some that open up. Probably the ones I overstuffed, but not a problem. We're going to let this continue rocking for maybe another half hour or so. All right, we've got some Sucker Busters original barbecue sauce. And we're just going to give these a quick painting It's another 5 or so minutes and we're pulling them. All right, folks, we've been cooking these a total of about 50 minutes. Sauced, and they're coming off. So, folks, they look absolutely wonderful. They smell great. I'm here to tell you, they did get soft with the sauce, which I kind of already knew. So, if you really want that good crispy bacon, don't sauce. But if you want the additional flavor, then don't be afraid to sauce. Oh yeah. Oh, that jalapeno is well cooked, man. That is still smoking. Mm-mm. That jalapeno really mellowed out. And the sweet from the meat candy just really complements everything else. It kind of ties things together. I love it. Pretty simple, folks. I'm still getting that crunch. Not the prettiest poppers I've ever seen, but wow, they've got to be some of the tastiest. Well, thank you guys and gals as usual for hanging out with Mom and Papa Joe's. We absolutely appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. In the meantime, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holler!